So, what are mountains? A mountain is a landform that rises high above the surrounding land in a limited area. So, mountains are usually in the form of peak. They are made from rocks in earth. Now, what is the reason for existence of mountains according to the Holy Qur'an? According to the Holy Quran, mountains act like stakes or tent pegs. In the figure, you can see stakes or tent pegs. The purpose of tent pegs is to give stability to the tent, to hold the tent. Similarly, they are like tent pegs. And according to the Holy Quran, mountains perform two functions. First, hold the earth's crust, and second, give it stability. Here in the figure, you can see that the mountains have deep root, and the root of mountains act like nails, act like tent pegs that hold the earth crust. The Quran contains exactly such a description. Did we not make the earth a resting place in mountain aspects? So these are two questions in one verse. Yes, mountains act like pegs and earth is a resting place. What science has discovered? Modern science has recently discovered that Earth's crust is like a solid shell, while deeper layers are hard and fluid. Mountains work like tent pegs which go deep down in the earth to hold the earth crust. So according to science, roots of mountains are very deep and they act like nails. Mountains hold the earth crust and give it stability. The best example of this can be the highest peak in the world, Mount Everest. According to the scientist, Mount Everest, that is 9 kilometers above the surface, has its roots almost 125 kilometers below the surface. So Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. It is 9 kilometers above the surface, whereas 125 kilometers below the surface. So